How to fix message notification not working in Realme P3. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on app management and scroll down and click on messages app. After clicking on messages app, then click on force stop. Now here you can force stop your messages app. Now click on force stop and then again click on force stop. After force stop your messages app, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on sound and vibration. Now click on do not disturb and now here you can check your do not disturb. If you turn on your do not disturb, then turn it off. After turn off your do not disturb, then go back to the main page of your settings and scroll down and click on system and update. Now click on it. Now click on backup and reset and then click on reset phone. Now here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it. Now here enter your password to reset your all settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.